What's up, what's up, what's up? It's Lil Shy in the cut. Back with another Smash Daddy video. Run the intro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh?
So today, we're gonna be doing a night routine only using dollar store products.
For $1?
Got this from Dollar Tree. Leave-in conditioner. Spray bottle from the Dollar Tree. And this coconut formula. Oh, and got this brush from the Dollar Tree. For $1. Only $1. So, I haven't put none of this good milk oil yet, so I'm gonna use like a little bit. Because this like is gonna make my hair real greasy. And this is just water basically. And a little bit of oil. Okay. Ooh. Hopefully this stuff could bring my hair back to life, like, cause this is dry right here, and I can't do that. Alright, so I'm gonna try some of this leave-in conditioner. Dang, come out. It kind of smells like church lady soap. Oh my god. Yeah, this stuff stink, like, for real. But it's okay, it's okay. Right now, this is not good. Ow. I just lost a brain cell. Gotta keep that water by you. Because this stuff ain't no joke with these products. It's making my hair like fluffy. I use Cantu. I be having like, I got like koi. But you know, it was only $1, so let me stop. Oh god, mess. Go back to the church ladies. Just a little bit of that. I can smell like old ladies tomorrow. Alright. I'll just put a little bit of this because like this stuff is so dirty. A piece of my hair just fell out. It's late and my brain is not functioning right. Like I don't know what's going on right there, but does it look like I'm sitting on the toilet? Because I'm not sitting on the toilet. I'm in a chair. I'm gonna just multiple braids. I'm gonna look like a little rapper. Alright.
What is it?
I got my handy dandy comb from the dollar store. Cause you know that's how we roll. Ooh. Put my do-rag on. Slip that down. And I was just thinking about that I gotta do a whole nother side. And it's so late right now. The back of my hair is my best grade of hair. Like, it's not as tight and like the curls. I don't know, I like these curls better. Like, it's just too much going on in the middle. So like sometimes when I wear my hair down, it looks so weird. It's like my back will be long, and then the front middle will be sticking up because it'll be short, and this will be long. See, like this hair, it don't lay right. I'm really about to look like Travis Scott when I finish. But the main thing to curly hair or any type of hair is to cut it. You see a little piece that look a little dry? Cut it. Your hair gonna be so healthy. You gonna have to go short sometimes, but just cut it. I look a mess. Y'all gonna have to deal with it. Oops. I don't know why it's so wet right now, but that's okay. Oh my god, these braids are so ugly. I'm sorry for me.
Oh my god!
Because this braid look a hot mess. So I'm just ready to go. And I really want a cookie. You know what? We're gonna have to get a cookie. I'm gonna have to get a cookie because Oh, late night munchies, you dig? Too much for me. I needed my break. Alright, let's go. Let's try this again. That cookie was just good. I lost where I was at. Oh, there you go. I'm tired of these. They be yanking my hair out. I need to get like a scrunchie. Do we even call these things? I don't really call these hair things. I'd be like, can I get a hair thing? You just gotta know what hair thing means. Because it's not a scrunchie. I don't know what a hair tie, but it's not because you don't tie it. So it's just called a hair thing. I don't know. It's a hair thing. Supposedly, and oh my god, I can't even talk to you. Hold on.
Fuck that.
We don't have to put this on because my braids, look at this one.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna have to look like a little boy real quick. I'm gonna have to rock the doobie real quick. So, freaking, my phone keep playing with my mochi staying out of the storage, so I gotta come here. I just wanna say, yeah, that was today's video. But like, bye guys. So y'all, this is what it looks like for the finished products. The curls came out pretty nice actually, but like it gave my hair a lot of body. So that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace out.